At 115 miles an hour grab you. That is the strength of Earl at the moment. Not only some very strong winds, but a huge storm surge and copious amounts of rainfall as Earl continues to track its way northwards. It's closing in on Cape Hatteras tonight. By tomorrow night, it'll be not far off the eastern suburbs of New York. Could well interrupt the tennis at Flushing Meadows, and then onwards through New England towards Nova Scotia by Saturday, hopefully weakening by then. Back home, by contrast, it's all very quiet tomorrow. It will be a misty start, but we can look forward to plenty more bright and warm weather to end the week. I mentioned a misty start. We could well see some fog patches forming as we go through the early hours across parts of central and eastern Scotland, northeast England and into parts of the Midlands. Quite patchy in nature, but be aware of that first thing in the morning. Could be a rather grey, murky start through the central belt, for example, for the rush hour. Some fog patches through the Vale of York and down into parts of the Midlands. Not everyone waking up to fog, but there could well be some nasty patches just first thing in the morning. Elsewhere, some brightness around as we start the day along the south coast, for example. It's set to be a lovely day. A little bit breezy towards some headlands if you're heading out for a walk first thing in the morning, but if you're still on holiday across the southwest of England or across Wales, you're in for another fine day. Any mist will soon vanish, and apart from a little bit of patchy fair weather cloud, it's set to be a sunny day across the western parts of Wales. Hardly a cloud to be seen, and only very isolated fog patches across Northern Ireland, and here we'll see lots of sunshine as we go through the day. So for most it's set fair. The mist will lift. We'll see some cloud building up across the more eastern parts of England, but it won't spoil the day. It's set to be fine and dry and pretty warm too. By the middle of the afternoon, temperatures widely getting up into the low 20s. Along the east coast of Scotland in particular, it could be a little bit cooler. Aberdeenshire, mid-teens here. Along the other North Sea coast of England, just a touch cooler with the breeze coming in off the sea. The weekend, of course, is looming, and so is this weather front, and it is going to bring a bit of a hiccup to the fine spell across Northern Ireland as we go through Saturday, thickening the cloud and bringing the potential for some showery rain. Elsewhere, again, another grey, murky start, but I'm hopeful that things will brighten up quite nicely. And again, it'll feel quite warm in the sunshine at the low 20s. Bit of a change by Sunday. The breeze will be picking up, particularly across western areas. You'll notice that, quite a gusty wind at times. That'll help to break the cloud up, so actually most places should stay dry on Sunday, and again feeling pleasantly warm. That's it from me.